Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good croissants. Achieving flaky, buttery croissants starts with the right ingredients and careful temperature control. You'll need high-quality butter, ideally with at least 82% fat, and strong bread flour. Keeping your dough and butter cold is paramount during the entire process to ensure distinct layers. This foundation is crucial for that signature airy texture. Lamination is where the magic happens. After encasing your butter block, roll the dough evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. Perform your first fold, then chill the dough for 30 minutes. Repeat this process for a total of 3 folds, ensuring the butter remains pliable but never melts. This meticulous layering creates hundreds of delicate, flaky strata. Once laminated, roll your dough to its final thickness and cut into triangles, each about 3.5 inches wide at the base. Gently stretch and roll them tightly from the base to the point, forming that iconic crescent shape. Now, proofing is key. Place them in a warm, humid spot until they are visibly puffy and jiggly, roughly 2 to 3 hours. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful croissants. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are a deep golden brown. Once out of the oven, let them cool on a wire rack to ensure a crisp bottom. For other great kitchen tools, like leak-proof containers to make meal prep easy, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your perfectly flaky, homemade croissants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.